Welcome to Sogan's Crochet, guys. Hi, Paul. This is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Today, I want to teach you the pattern of an Irish crochet lace flower. So, let's see. Slip knot. Then chain 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yarn over, insert your hook in 7th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert your hook into the 7th chain, then make a double crochet in 7th chain. Pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook in this space and pull up loop, stretch it, yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times, and the last time. Insert your hook in same chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 2, 1 and 2. Yarn over, skip 1 chain, insert your hook into the next chain, then make a double crochet in next chain. Yarn over, insert your hook in this space and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 5 times. 4, 5 times. Insert your hook in same chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 2, yarn over, skip 1 chain, insert your hook into the next chain, then make a double crochet in next chain. Yarn over, insert your hook in this space and pull up loop 5 times, twice, 3 times, 4, 5 times. Insert your hook in same chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 2, yarn over, skip 1 chain, insert your hook into the next chain, then make a double crochet in next chain. Yarn over, insert your hook in this space and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times, 4, 5 times. Insert your hook in this same chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through all loops. At the end, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, then make a slab stitch in last chain. Make 5 single crochets in this space on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Make 4 single crochets in next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat. Make 4 single crochets in next space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 4 single crochets in next space again. 2, 3, and the last time. Make 10 single crochets in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last time. Make 4 single crochets in next space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 4 single crochets in next space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 4 single crochets in next space. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 5 single crochets in last space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last time. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Make a single crochet in first single crochet. This is my front loop and this is my back loop. Insert your hook into the back loop, then make a single crochet 14 times. Make 14 single crochets in next 14 stitches. 14 single crochets, back loop only. I crocheted 14 single crochets, chain 3, turn your work. Make a single crochet in first stitch, both 2 loops. Make 14 single crochets, back loop only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I crocheted 14 single crochets, back loop only. Then make 2 single crochets in the space, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, then make 2 single crochets again in this space, same space. Make 15 single crochets, back loop only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and the last time. Make a single crochet above 2 loops in next stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, turn your work. Make a single crochet in first stitch above 2 loops. Make 16 single crochets, back loop only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. In this space, make 2 single crochets together, 1 and 2. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make 2 single crochets together again in same space, 1 and 2. Make 11 single crochets in next 11 stitches, back loop only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Make a single crochet next stitch both loops. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, turn your work. Make a single crochet in first stitch, both 2 loops. Make 12 single crochets in next 12 stitches, back loop only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then make 2 single crochets together in this space, 1 and 2. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Make 2 single crochets again in same space. Make 12 single crochets in back loop only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make a single crochet next stitch, both 2 loops, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, turn your work, then make a single crochet in first stitch, both 2 loops, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share its link with your friends. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Like and subscribe for more video tutorials. Bye!